Hello students, today let us discuss a very interesting topic in science, that is food. Where does it come from? Observe the different food items. Our meals include a variety of food items. Do you eat the same kind of food every day? No. It is boring to eat the same food every day. You need something special on Sundays, isn't it? Gobi manchuri, burger, KFC, butter naan, biryani. These are the food items you need on Sundays. Do you like these food items? Yes, you like these food items very much. There is a variety in our food. Why? Because the food should contain all the nutrients. These are the food items we eat: rice, chapati, idli, dal, etc. Have you ever helped your parents in cooking? Do you know what are the materials needed to prepare a dish of boiled rice or idli or sambar? Let us see the materials needed to prepare different food items. What are the materials needed to prepare boiled rice? Raw rice and water are needed to prepare boiled rice. To prepare chapati, atta or it is wheat flour, water and salt. The materials needed to prepare idli are rice, black gram, salt and water. The materials needed to prepare dal are pulses, water, salt, oil, spices. Now, the materials used to prepare food item are called ingredients. What are ingredients? Materials required to prepare a food item are called ingredients. Observe this table. Food item and their ingredients. We know that to prepare idli, the ingredients required are rice, urad dal or it is called black gram, salt and water. Rice is obtained from plant. So, the source of rice is plant. Urad dal is obtained from plants. So, the sources of rice and urad dal are plants. Salt is obtained from seawater and water is from the well. To prepare chicken curry, the ingredients required are chicken, spices, oil or ghee and water. Chicken is obtained from animal. So, the source of chicken is animal source. Spices, it is from plants, plant source. Oil is from plants. Ghee is from animals. Water is from the well. Well water is used to prepare chicken curry. Third item is kheer. Milk is the ingredient used. It is obtained from animal. Rice, it is from plants. Sugar, it is from plants. What did you understand from this activity? From this activity, it is clear that plants are the sources of food ingredients like rice, dal, spices, sugar, etc. Animals are the sources of food ingredients like chicken, meat, milk, etc. So, plants and animals are the two sources of food. Let us see the parts of a plant: roots, stem, leaf, fruit, flower. These are the parts of a plant. What are the edible parts of a plant? Edible parts means the parts which we eat: fruits, seeds, flowers, roots, stem, leaves are the edible parts of a plant. Let us see the various edible parts of a plant. In carrot, food is stored in the roots, so carrot is the edible root. In tomato plant, tomato is the fruit, so tomato is the edible fruit. In groundnut, seed is the edible part. In pumpkin, both flower and fruit are the edible parts. Have you ever tasted the dish prepared from pumpkin flour? If no, tell your parents to cook. It is very tasty. Look at this picture. What is this? Yes, it is jackfruit. Do you like to eat this? Yes, of course. You all like to eat. In jackfruit, fruit and seed are the edible parts. Banana plant. What are the edible parts of a banana plant? Fruit, banana. You like banana very much. Flour. Flour is used to make chutney. Have you ever tasted the chutney prepared from this flour? Try once, it is very tasty. Stem. Stem is used as a vegetable. It is good for the kidneys. Seed is the edible part of a plant. Sprouted seeds contain large amount of nutrients. So, sprouted seeds are used to prepare snacks, curry, etc. Have you seen a beehive? Bees collect nectar from flowers, convert it into honey and store it in their hive. Flowers and their nectar may be available only for a part of the year. So, bees store this nectar for their use all through the year. Look at this picture. Do you like honey? Yes, it is very sweet. Honey is used as a medicine. Let us see the edible parts of a plant found in some of the food items. Brinjal curry. In brinjal curry, brinjal, it is the fruit. It is the edible part. Chili, it is the fruit. Oil, either groundnut oil or mustard oil or soybean oil. It is obtained from the seed. So, the edible part is seed. In sambar, tur dal, it is obtained from the seed. So, edible part is seed. We add many vegetables to sambar. So, the edible part is fruit. Vegetables are the fruits. Garlic, it is neither stem nor root. Curry leaves, the edible part is leaves. Spices, edible part is fruit. Oil, which we use to cook sambar, is obtained from the seeds. So, edible part is seed. So far, we discussed about the food we eat. What do animals eat? Do you know? Let us see. Buffalo. Food is grass, oil cake, hay, grains. Cat. Small animals, birds, milk. Rat. Grains, fruits, nuts. Lion. Animals. Tiger. Animals. Spider. Insects. House lizard. Insects. Cow. Grass, oil cake, grains, hay. Human beings. Vegetables, grains, fruits, animals. Butterfly. Nectar of flowers. Crow. Grains, small birds. Rabbit. Grass, fruits, vegetables. Animals are classified into three groups based on the food they eat. Let us see briefly. First group is herbivores. Animals which eat only plants or plant products are called herbivores. Example, deer, cow, etc. Second group is carnivores. Animals which eat only animals are called carnivores. Lion, tiger are the examples. Omnivores. Animals which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Example, human beings, dog, etc. So, the three groups of animals are herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Here we completed the lesson, food, where does it come from? Thank you students. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.